Hey everyone, it's Angie here, SeaTrek's Director of Marine Science and former lead instructor on Fathoms. I can't believe that 2021 is marking the 10th anniversary of this awesome live aboard science and diving program. It seems like just yesterday we were designing the logo and the curriculum all around a theme of focused adventure through hands-on marine science. If you want to dive deeper into marine biology, above and below the surface, Fathoms is the program for you. Working alongside marine scientists and your fellow campers, you'll experience what it's really like to be a marine biologist. This 22-day program allows you to explore your passion for the ocean through teamwork, research diving, community service projects, island exploration, and so much more. Working with SeaTrek's Fathoms program has hands down been one of the best experiences of my life. I used to be a science classroom teacher, and what I found that I wanted was really more experience of the ocean in a live, in-person way, and I wanted to carry others along that journey with me. Fathoms is hands-on learning at its finest. You actually do science. From night and wreck dives to nature hikes and cultural activities, you will be amazed at the creatures that you will see throughout the entire tropical islands of the BVI. If you want to experience this program or have questions, learn more, or even secure your spot in 2021, please call us at 877-467-2454 today, as the boat is filling up fast. We hope to see you this summer. Thank you so much and take care, everyone.